It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
So today, my dear friends have put a restraining order. We're heading over to the courthouse now, and I'll unmute them.
Hold in your position.
I'm coming.
Are we going to the courthouse?
I'm coming. Hold on.
Ooh, Lex.
I'm right behind you.
I was starting off my
I
screen.
had
Oh,
to
you're
pull
behind
out
me?
the big
There's the lady in question.
No one come up to here. No one come
I'm
here.
not the lady in question. 9 is.
What do you mean?
I said don't come up here, you peen.
I think the judge is having issues.
I always have issues.
I don't think you're helping your situation here. You're being a restraining order is being filed against you.
I have my banner now.
That's true. Everyone gets here.
Fancy.
Everyone get to your positions.
Are we the two going over here?
Yeah, Ace.
I will fight you.
Hi.
I got my
Not
banner
in the
set up.
courthouse.
Nice.
This does not help your rep as a lawyer.
No, I'm saying
Is
fight you as in
everyone
legally
ready?
fight you in the courthouse.
Is everyone ready here?
Yeah.
Yes.
I believe so.
Roz, are you defending yourself?
I'm defending. I'm
Yes, I
defending
have
my
entered the room.
Do you not have a lawyer?
Okay,
I'm
great. No one
defending
cared about
my
my grand
property.
entrance. I'm gonna have to do it again. Is
I
everyone
can't
ready?
even see you.
Exactly.
Oh, are you trying
I
to-
think
Here, I got it.
Earlier
Are you trying to get rid of the rhythm?
Yeah.
Alright, I got him.
Fuck!
No.
There we go.
We're going
Okay, I'm
again.
turning on my own music. Hold on.
Oh my god.
There we go.
I don't think you need a lawyer for a restraining order.
What?
What's happening?
I have
Restraining
no idea
order.
how court works.
Is everyone ready? Is everything in place? Is everything perfection?
Are you
Get
guys the
in your
jury?
spots. I know you're moving around.
Am I the jury?
Are you guys? Are you two the jury?
No, it has
I
to be
am
an
the
odd
jury.
number.
Yeah, you guys. Are you guys the jury?
It has to be an odd number.
I'll be the
That's
jury.
true.
I'll be the jury. It's okay. I'll be the
I guess
jury.
You
Like,
are
we
the
should
judge,
do it
jury, and
online.
executioner.
We can ask
Technically,
someone to get
I guess-
online.
Shield.
All three of us could be the jury, so if we get split, then
Yeah.
you'll be the tiebreaker.
Yeah. Sure.
Omelet will be the tiebreaker if it's a tie between you two.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Okay. Well, I'm doing
Court
this
works.
again.
We're probably
Is everyone
doing this
ready?
very wrong.
Everyone, be still. Knife. I'm looking at you. Thank you. Welcome to court, children. Are we ready to proceed? Court is now in session. Yes.
Okay.
Is this agreed? I don't know how this works. I didn't really get to degree.
Just like, oh, the sun's setting. That's nice.
You explain what's happening.
Okay. Okay. So I have this wonderful book right here.
Wait, you look pretty. Okay,
Oh,
continue.
thank you. So I have this beautiful book right here.
Continue
This book-
yourself, Knife.
You're not helping your rep.
Proceed. Also, jury, what are you doing over there? You need to be over. Why don't you?
Oh yeah, if you guys are the jury, we'll go
But
there.
I'm a lawyer, bitch.
Okay.
You can't lawyer yourself.
I can't jump. Why can't I jump?
Why can't I lawyer myself?
My goodness.
That's not how
you're
lawyers
awful. Okay.
Listen, none of us have been to court. This is the first
Okay,
ever court
next time,
hearing we've ever
next
had
time
in
we're doing
SMP.
this, we're looking shit up. Sorry,
Or
no.
we're
Griffin.
practicing.
Yeah,
Having a
okay.
test run of a
No!
made up situation.
Shh.
What?
Proceed.
Okay. So I have this wonderful book right here. And in this book, it shows my restraining order application. Now, I know you have read this. I think you read this at some point. This is here. I want you to read this though. Oh, I'm too short.
Don't worry.
Okay.
Restraining order! You razzle dazzle want to file a restraining order against Lost from Within on my property.
Why are you jumping?
Because I have ADHD.
It looks like you're jumping for joy.
They have broken the laws of peace and
ADHD. I'm bored.
You broke a law in the Peace Flower Room?
No, I didn't. Let me defend myself.
Wait! Let me finish reading this. Did you lie?
They've broken it multiple
Many
times.
times, and I will
No, I
not
haven't.
tolerate this
Let me
behavior
defend myself.
around the things at risk, i.e. flying sheep or my flowers. With this order, they will not be bound. They will be bound to love and not set any of my foot on any of my property as of now, November 2nd. Is it November 2nd? Lies. I want to change
No,
that.
that's when I wrote it.
Oh, okay. This includes my island, my house, and the drug house. Probably shouldn't mention a drug house in a courthouse. Just to point that out real quick.
Listen. The drug house isn't against the crystal queer laws.
Well, yeah, but still.
It's not illegal.
You contain your fucking self. Do we just have a restraining order for you to actually be restrained and held down? Because that's what it seems like. No, why aren't y'all actually sitting in your seat? What's happening over? No one here is okay. You both are fired. I am the judge, jury, and the executioner in this situation. Okay.
And listen, I'm just
Now-
here to record.
Oh, that's what you're doing. Valid, but what are you doing, Lex?
Lex has gone to the shadow realm.
Okay, that's
a
excused.
chaotic court
The
case.
shadow realm is okay. Now,
Cool with it.
explain the fact that. So you said you didn't break any laws. Stop jumping around. I swear I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna beat your.
Wait, can I specify what I meant?
Yes.
Okay.
No,
Because there
I
wasn't. No. I'm gonna specify because I know what you're about to say.
Stay
Basically,
still.
okay, so before the laws were in place,
No,
they
no,
punched
I'm
me.
gonna
That
defend
doesn't
myself
matter.
first because I have a defense.
No. Shut up. I'm explaining. But
It is not your turn to speak. You shall remain silent. As a lawyer, you should know that. Proceed.
so they have broken the law once. The first time, technically, they didn't break the
Objection,
law.
Your Honor.
But they-
Yes. What's
The
your...
first time,
Wait. No. What's your objection?
I never actually broke any laws.
We'll
didn't
get
let
to
me
that later.
finish.
We'll get
you
to
did
that
not
later.
let me
Proceed.
finish.
Proceed.
I said
Roz.
technically.
They called an objection for a
Shush.
reason, you fuck.
Well, no, because
said-
normally don't you normally do objections for like irrelevance and shit?
Objection. The prosecutor is lying.
Well, isn't that what we're trying to
No,
find
no.
out here? That's what we're trying to find
I'm-
out here. So you
I'm-
better shut
let
your
me
little pie hole
explain it.
because it's like
Let me-
saying the criminal is being like, "Hey, I
Let
didn't
me
do it."
explain. Let me
Okay,
explain.
you get back on your side. There shall be no
on
touching,
my
even though
side.
you
I'm
two
on
are
my
smooching. I know there will be no touching. Proceed.
Okay.
And you stay quiet. I'm getting sick of you.
I know
I don't
what
take
you're
it.
about to mention. And let me reiterate, that is not what I'm talking about. They punched me in my peace room before we technically made it a law. So that is technically not against the law, that's just against my house rules. That's not what I'm talking about here.
Okay.
I'm talking about, we went in the flower room once, you know, my precious flower room where I have all of, well, I have all but one flower, which I'll get eventually.
It's
But-
a lovely room.
Thank you. It is a very lovely room. I love my flower room. They have also punched me in that room. And not only that, they have killed me in that room.
No. Have you?
Okay, that's a flat out lie.
No, you have.
never-
You have
I
killed
never
me in
Do
that
you
room.
have any witnesses?
I don't remember.
Were you on a call with anyone?
I was on call with that one. Actually, wait, were we even on a call? I don't.
Yeah, we were.
I don't. Yeah, we were on the call. Hex was probably there.
Were you
Like
there?
maybe not in the room, but like on call, maybe.
I might have been.
Normally,
I might have been.
yeah, I was about to say normally you're on call with us.
Okay, but I never
But
killed
I didn't
you.
want to say anything there. I just wanted to ring the bell.
I never killed you. I did punch you, but
Look at me when you speak.
Your honor,
Thank you.
she punched me as well.
In
So
the
she can't
flower room?
persecute me
Is that?
unless she persecutes
Look at me! Look at me! Look at me! Is that legal to punch someone else in the flower room? Is that
Okay,
is it
let me
illegal to
explain
punch
something
anyone?
real quick. Let me explain something real quick.
Proceed.
Let me reiterate something. So, as we all know, in my peace room, there are a few different things there. You know, you got the little pond, you got the vines. There
Yes,
were
that's-
bees.
Okay, yes, I don't care about this though. I want you to get straight to the point.
I'm getting somewhere. So there are 3 chickens in there, and they are the Williams, and they're great. And then of course there's a flying sheep. It's irrelevant right now.
I have met
I'm
them.
talking
terrible.
only about Williams because there have been times where I will accidentally throw their eggs on the ground and they will spout a baby. And of course, we can't have more than 4. We can't have 4 Williams. There's only 3 Williams. That's the limit. There are only 3 Williams.
She
So-
brutally murdered the baby.
About
Exactly.
your flower room, not your peace room.
No, I'm just talking about in general because it is it is my property.
Well, that's not specified in the laws, so you can't use it as a defense.
Good point. Look at me, child, when you speak. Thank you. I want y'all to look at me at all times because I am fantabulous.
We love compliments.
Thank you, Ace, for looking at me.
I've been looking at you.
I
I'm
really
zooming in on your excellence.
defend yourself.
On which part?
All of it.
Okay. Well, I never actually killed her in her flower room. I only ever punched her in her peace room when I was outside of the peace room before it was specified that you can't punch anyone if they are inside the peace room.
You have to punch me in my flower room though.
I have punched you in your flower room, but you have also punched me in your flower room with no specifications that you are allowed to do it, and I am not.
I feel
Is
like it's
it-
just common sense. I don't think you have to specify that because it is my
Is-
property.
But it's
Well,
a law, and we have a
if
law
it's a-
book.
If
So,
it is, can someone go get the law book?
I'll go get it.
No,
Don't- no,
no, you are not allowed to go get it. You need to stay here.
I'll go get it.
I could.
The book. Here you go. Should I just read off the book?
No, it's fine. I'll
Why
read
is
it.
it allowed up there to help you with stuff, and I'm not?
Because Ace made the courthouse.
And also because I'm pretty much the leader of the nation.
Okay, fuck you.
Hey, you're the ones that agreed on this, not me.
I'm the one who said it in the first place. You just
I
kind of
never
agreed with it.
agreed. to go to
Silence
court?
in the court!
Oh no, Rowan, I wasn't talking about you. I was talking about somebody else.
Okay. Everyone, silence!
Hey, everyone. Mwah.
Look at me, everyone look at me. Stare me down, I want to be looked at. That's a lie.
I don't like
Don't
eye
look-
contact.
Look at my juicy fat ass as I read.
Oh, look at that ass.
Crystal clear law book, no griefing. Okay, I'm gonna skip to the part about... It's violence or potatoes. Oh, wait! Wait! If a creeper blows it up, you fix it. You didn't fix it. I
So
know
they
that had
broke
nothing
it.
to do
I'm
with
not allowed to leave the court.
That's true.
They have an
That is-
yeah,
excuse.
that's
They
fine.
have an
It's
excuse.
excused. It's excused. No fighting, punching, or anything, or bow in Rose's piece.
Judge, may I interrupt?
Oh. You said that, like, oh, I didn't technically break that one because I was outside of the room. In here, it does say.
No,
like,
Omelet, that was before we
that's
made the
because it
law.
was changed
Okay, then that's
after.
fine. That's
was
Yeah, no,
changed after.
that was, yeah.
Omelet,
that-
may I intrude on the
Yes.
conversation real quick?
Yes.
Rowan says your ass looks very juicy.
Oh, thank you. I love you too,
All right,
Rowan.
you may continue.
But you know what, Rowan? This one's for Rowan. With the special one.
With the hoe.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Just for just for you. So it does say no punching or anything. No fighting in general. I do want you guys. I do want the jury to remember that it does no punching in general. It does not specify whether Roz can punch. I do not think Roz
I feel like
is.
that's just common sense, though.
No.
I don't know if I don't know if that's just me.
No,
I feel like that's common.
Objection, Your Honor.
it's-
Objection, Your Honor.
Yes. I'm
Uh,
listening.
am I allowed to look at the prosecutor?
Yes. Yes.
I mean, I'm
okay.
looking at you.
It's true. Thank you for, do you know what though? Thank you for looking at me the entire time. I really appreciate it. It makes me feel good. Proceed. You may communicate.
So, common sense. We have a law book. If it's
Yes.
not in the law book,
I
it cannot
wrote
be
the
used
law
as a
book.
defense.
I was the one who wrote that book.
Then
Yes.
why did you break one of the laws?
Because it's my house?
You can't. That is legit saying, "Oh, I murdered someone in my house." Do you actually?
I don't know. Well, because
No matter. Look,
before.
we're gonna think about this way. No matter where you murder, it is still murder.
Wait. Can I say something real quick?
Yes.
So before we even thought about making an actual law book, like before we thought, hey, let's make laws, right?
Yes.
Way before that, I didn't even have the peace room at this point in time. No, wait, yeah, I did. This was right after I built the peace room when my bees were still alive. Yeah, I killed them on accident, but that's unrelated. So I have always said it's called the peace room because you don't fight in it. It's a peace room.
Yes.
That has always been like set in stone.
This room
the
where there's
thing
only peace.
Exactly. Okay, so you remember how I said I murdered the Williams, the extra Williams, right? Well, they're not even Williams. They're sacrificial chickens. So you know how I murder them?
Mm-hmm.
Is that considered against the law?
Well, that is a good question. Do you do it inside the peace room?
I did because they spawned in the peace room.
Okay.
Actually, some of them spawn outside. It's a whole thing.
I definitely. Okay, look. Here's what I've learned from this experience, at least just right now. I think you need to specify the rules in the rule book, in the law book.
Okay.
Okay, I think that is a thing that you all need to do. The founders of Queertown, I'm calling it Queertown for no reason. I just want to. So, because here it says there's no violence or anything with a bow, no fighting, punching or anything with a bow.
I have always killed sacrificial chickens because it's in the name. They're sacrificial chickens.
But
Before the law was even there, I've
yeah,
always killed
okay, but I know, but it's still kind of like, it's like if you murder. Look,
Exactly.
think of it. You look, the judge is speaking. You murder someone,
Mhm.
right? And then it becomes a law not to murder people because people find out it's wrong.
Yeah.
You're still murdered people,
I'm murdering sacrificial
and
chickens.
you're still murdering people.
I'm not
even though
murdering
it's-
them. Hold on. I'm not murdering the chickens. They're sacrificial chickens. I'm sacrificing them to the flying sheep.
But it is still a violent thing. It's
It
still
is
a
still
violent act. You see? And here it says no fighting. And I'm taking fighting as no violence. Wait, is there a difference between violence and fighting? Children.
Yeah. Violence.
I'm
fighting
looking it up.
is the type of violence.
I'm looking it up. Hold up, I have to
Different
make it so you can all look at my juicy fat ass. There you go.
So I think just in general, re-specify the book, and then get the restraining order against that one, and then call it a day.
Nope, you still need a punishment for both of you. Because in a way you did both break the law. That wasn't specified enough, so you did. What's up?
Their punishment is the restraining order, because I still want that to go through.
Well, that's
maybe.
not up to you.
And it is not up.
That's true, but it's not up to you. Hold up. What do I have to look up? I have to look up violence. What is the definition of violence? Behavior involving physical force intended to hurt, damage, or kill someone or something. And then, what is the definition of fighting? The action of fighting violence. Oh, the action of fighting violence.
Because you can fight non-violently.
No, even if you fight verbally, that is violent.
Well, no, like does joke fighting count?
Well, yeah, but you weren't killing those chickens as a joke.
No, yeah, they were sacrificed.
Yeah, but that's still violence. And
Well, no, I'm just
violence
talking
isn't
about-
violence. Shush. Violence isn't the definition of fighting. Therefore, you broke your own law because it doesn't specify whether this is humans or animals. It doesn't specify, so it's going to be both. Therefore, you both broke the law.
We're both guilty.
Therefore, I may not sign your restraining. Because you also need a restraining order for now. Though
What do I need a
will-
restraining order on?
The chickens are gonna the Williams eggs. Those sacrificial chickens.
I mean, the egg.
Here's the
For
thing.
now,
Here's the thing.
the egg.
From now on, you are not allowed to murder the little boys. The little that's what I'm calling them. The little boys.
Sacrificial chicken.
The little boys in the peace room. You are not allowed to do that in
Wait,
any
wait.
room. Just
Let me- can
you
I
are not-
specify something?
No, I'm talking. You are not allowed to. I don't think you should. I think you should not be allowed to murder in any of those rooms, at least in any of them, no matter what it is, whether it is a sacrificial chicken or a person or any
chicken.
violence. I don't think any violence should take place in them. They are peace rooms for a reason. There should be no violence. It should be a place that you go to where you feel nice and safe and comfortable, rather than where you're like, oh, wonder if I'm gonna get punched today. Or if you're one of the little boys, you're wondering, holy shit, I'm about to fucking die.
That's what I think every time I step out of my house. Because
What,
of
holy shit, I'm
someone.
about to fucking die? Yeah, okay,
Yeah.
but that's not what you're restraining. But that's not what you're restraining your. That's not what you're filing your restraining order against.
Oh,
Therefore,
yeah,
I
no,
cannot
no.
sign this.
Yeah.
So there you go. I'm not signing this restraining order because it's literally saying that they broke laws of the peace room
Can
when
I
they
say
did.
what I do?
Well, you both did, but
Can I say what
I'm
I
still
think?
not
Can I say what I think we should do?
What is it?
So, what I think should happen is, since we have both clearly broken laws,
Yes.
we are both
should both
guilty.
Yes.
Exactly. So I say, that rule that you said, as in like, if there's a sacrificial chicken, don't kill it if it's in the peace room. Like, if I want to kill it, I'll just lead it out and then kill it there.
Or you
like
can
in my
maybe throw the egg outside of the peace room.
yeah, that's what I've been doing. Like that's why, because back whenever.
And why do they get in the peace room?
No,
You throw the
because
egg outside of the peace room.
it was before. Actually, you have birth chickens in my peace room.
Did you kill them?
No, I
did.
usually leave them.
I killed them.
Oh, then there you go. Then you still haven't broken any laws.
Yeah,
Because
oh,
there is
no,
no
not
law
saying they
against birthing eggs in.
No.
the peace room.
I'm not saying they broke the law, but because now whenever I killed sacrificial chickens, that was before I started my chicken island.
Look at me.
Now the sacrificial chickens live on top of my island, and then I kill them there, which is
Oh.
fine.
That's fine.
Exactly. Do I win?
What? What just happened?
They
Connection
left.
issues.
Oh, connection issues. That's
Oh.
excused.
Idle.
He was staring at me so
Move.
intently that I thought that he was dead.
I haven't been allowed to move.
Well, no, you're allowed to move. Just I would like you to look at. Hi. Like you can
Hi.
move a little. Like I'm letting Roz off with like a little bit of a head movement, and you can like move
Yeah.
a little inch side to side. I just don't want you to do that's possible. I just don't want you to be all like, whoa, fuck yeah, court is in session, let's fucking go. You know?
This is my interpretation of you. Just fucking having a seizure.
Hey, hello? No.
Hi.
There is none of that in court. Some little weaseling.
Look, I have ADHD. If I'm not doing anything,
Well, yeah, and like I said, you're allowed to move, but don't be like, woo!
You cut out and it was hilarious.
Oh, shit. Fuck. Oh,
Hold on,
no,
I gotta
sorry.
pop my back
No
real quick.
cursing.
You're all good. No worries.
That
I
one was
can't
you're one who-
spell. Hey.
But,
There's mobs out there. And it's very
it's okay.
distracting.
They're just witnesses that may try to kill us.
Is that skeleton pushing? Are they having a? They're pushing each other. Do you see this?
They're having-
There's
skeleton
a
and the
third one.
creeper.
They're
It's a
having fun
threesome.
times. It's okay. Don't look. That's inappropriate. I want
That is
you to look at me. I am a very appropriate child.
Your
Very,
Honor,
very appropriate.
Your Honor, do I have
Yes.
permission to go kill them?
No.
You're gonna
You are-
blow up the house.
No, you're allowed to stay here, and you can kill them once they pose a threat. For now, they are
Okay.
completely innocent. You are innocent till proven guilty. Right now, they are not proven guilty.
TNT.
Judges, Jerry, have you been processing this information?
A bit.
Yes.
I get it. It's a lot. But, I like your shield, by the way. It's very satisfying to look at.
Wait, I want to see your shield. Here, turn this way.
All I did is I took the crystal clear and I put some extra colors on it. That's all I
Wait,
did.
wait. I wanna see.
It's really pretty.
Ooh, that is really pretty.
It's really
Flash
nice.
it this way for the
But-
camera.
Look, you can... Yeah.
Ooh.
Look at that.
Juicy.
Strong woman.
Nice.
Juicy. Like
But I
my
mean,
ass.
Hex over here with clearly the best.
Oh!
Wait,
Like
show it
fucking
off, show it off.
Lemanberg.
The wrong thing. I want to move this. Where can I move this?
You know, Rowan had asked me about it in the chat.
Please
Yes.
excuse me for what I'm about to do. This just makes it easier for me to hit.
Yep.
Oh, but I can't look at you.
Yeah, I can't look at you.
Oh. Well, that's unacceptable.
I know. I have to look at
Oh,
you. 'cause
I have an idea. Every
take my
time I
eyes
want
off
to
of
bring it, y'all get to look at my juicy ass. So I'll put it behind me.
Perfect.
Oh, but I can't hit it this way. It's okay, I'll just stand over here.
I get to look. Look at that ass.
I think would it be alright if like y'all just dangle a big ass line from here so I could just ding it up here?
Well, we can make modifications to the room whenever the case is over.
Later.
Yeah.
Yeah, just consult them about that.
For example, a taller chair. That's all I really
Yeah,
want.
consult them about that because they built this place. So
Yeah, it's all
Yes.
good. It's all good. Whatever's comfortable.
Well, thank you. Very sweet. Anyways, is there anything else anyone wants to get out of the way?
That's
why are
two
you looking
creepers.
at
It's alright. It's alright. Don't worry about them. Like I said, they're not a threat.
your death outside?
They're not a threat right now. Now, does anyone else have anything else to say?
Jury?
Nothing else to say.
Nothing else to add.
Okay. Well, do y'all want to discuss? You can
Okay.
discuss in
We
private
should make-
messages.
We should make it a confession room.
A confession in a church?
This is in court.
A
This is the
confession
confession
room.
room.
Exactly.
So what do you think?
Oh, say right?
Do you wanna head
guess
over
but
to
I think it would be
the
funnier if you guys
Well, no, 'cause then we
into
can
the
hear.
call and we all just
But
stay
then I
silent.
said that.
Well, yeah, but that'd be funnier.
I said this. I said, "I'll come down later. I'm in court," and she just responds, "Court?"
I'm
One sec,
inside
my
of
dog
the
wants out.
shield. I can see your banner.
Oh wow. Oh, I thought that skeleton was a chicken. I was about to be very confused on how a chicken was
Alright, continue.
walking on the windows.
Oh,
I'm
my
just-
pickaxe broke,
I'm
so I can't
inside
even
of your
break it.
banner. Are you...
Here, I got you.
Oh, wait, no, it's fine.
I
It's not
can-
broken.
It's gone. I can only see your banner.
What is happening?
I don't know.
Besides that,
So are you two going to discuss?
I think I already know my
There we
verdict.
go.
yeah, I know.
There
I already know mine.
I got it. Okay,
I guess we can
Proceed.
just move on to the next phase.
Yeah.
what's the next
Which
phase?
is
You,
Telling the
Consult
verdict?
jury. Consult the
yeah,
jury.
saying who's
and then
guilty and then saying who's innocent, and then
Wait. I think
And
you
then
should
we can-
consult the jury first, and then make your
well, no, because it's actually the jury that makes the accusation. Shall we discuss in 2?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Children of the court.
Hello.
Court
Hi.
masters, court gods, alongside Jesus. Proceed.
Both are guilty of their crimes.
Yeah, both are guilty.
That's we can like, I say, specifying laws, and then I say both of them. I think what we need to do for punishment is I think they should do trust exercises together. One, because I think that'd be really funny, and two, because they need to trust each other more,
Yeah.
especially because they're smooching.
Fair enough.
I think that's fair. I think that's fair.
Yes. Trust exercises. Definitely.
Alright.
Ooh, I have an idea for the trust exercise. Putting one of them, they take turns. They're at the top of a pedestal in the middle of the night, like somewhere in the woods, and the other person has to protect them. And they have to put their trust in said person. And they have an option to like grab their stuff and like also help. And they have to let the person protect them.
Okay.
And there's something to lose. I say we do that.
Fair enough.
Yeah. I like that.
Okay. Sweet. Jury,
Don't start
you
over
are
anyways.
to say who is guilty of will say the punishment.
Do you want to do or do I want to do?
Say it
Both
in
are
sync,
equally
and we-
guilty of their crimes.
Yes. And do you want to know what your punishment is? Everyone look at me, because I'm stunning. Well, no. Hex, you can look at them. You're filming. It's okay.
Okay, yeah. All good.
But you two, your punishment is the trust exercise.
I'm not here. What?
Please don't do that on stream.
Don't break your mic either.
Lost, I swear to God, if you do it, I'm kicking you from the call.
Oh.
It's against the stream rules. Anyways, continue.
Yeah, you have to do a trust exercise. The trust exercise will be, you will go somewhere in the woods. We will be watching from a safe distance and from a nice high platform, and it will be nighttime. You will both do this. So one of you will be standing at the top of the pedestal with actual things, but you will not have them, like armor. Your goal is to not put on those things, and the person at the bottom of that pedestal will be protecting you. And you will switch off, and you have to put your trust in each other.
They're gonna kill me themselves.
You have to trust them. Also, we will be,
I don't know if they trust themselves.
We will be, well, you will be, specifying the laws.
Yeah,
Me?
that's fair. That's fair. No, me.
both, everyone.
I write the law book.
And then there will also be a slight change here with a spec thing, and so I can. But I will also not be restraining. I will not be signing your restraining order. I do not think there is a need for one, for you also broke your own laws.
Can I request that they don't kill me in my own house?
That is for you to discuss.
Oh, they're not gonna promise anything.
Well, then rewrite this restraining order.
Promise you that. Roz, I can promise you to not kill you in your own house.
Then there you go.
just
That's the entire thing.
I don't trust that promise. I don't trust that promise.
And that's why you're doing a trust exercise.
You're gonna break it. I'm gonna, whenever they kill me in my house, then can I get the restraining order?
If you have a good enough case for it.
They broke their promise in court. The promise they made in court, they broke it.
Wait, come here. We don't have a thing to put your hand on to swear to God. You know what? We're doing it with my hoe.
I don't have a hoe. I have.
Put your hand on my hoe.
Put your hand on my shoulder.
Put your hand on my hoe. Okay, I believe that. You have sworn to me, Jesus, that you will not break this law.
Yes.
And you? Do you want to touch my hoe?
Yeah, I do.
Just for no reason, you just want to touch my hoe? Oh. Well,
Oh.
it looks like the hoe doesn't want to be touched by you, so.
Wow.
Hey, it wasn't me, it was the hoe.
Damn.
I don't make these decisions, the hoe does.
Are we doing this trust exercise like right after this?
No, we'll do it.
No,
another
we'll
day.
save it for
We have
another
to-
time.
We have to plan for this. Also, Knife has to go do EL.
Yeah.
Anyways, yeah, this was fun. I think next time everyone should have a more prepped course.
To go
and-
kill the
We
skeleton
just
and
look
now.
up
maybe a
how
lawyer.
court works.
Your Honor,
Yeah.
can I go kill the skeleton now?
Oh yes, court is. Wait, no.
Wait, you have to- You have to. Yeah. I can
Wait.
hear you clicking. Which
Court
Ghostman
is
song
now
is it?
done.
Okay,
Court
so
is
listen,
dismissed.
I want to stab some shit.
Oh my god, you Tommy Kinney.
That's a Ghostman song.
Thought so.
Okay, I'm just gonna end this
Oh,
off.
well, it just finished.
Alright, I've muted my stream. And I've muted myself. Anywho, this court case went better than expected. Somebody blew something up. I guess I'll see you next time. Today's gonna be a good day.